Hey guys, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing here in Sorrento of Bonita Springs. This is 28051 Sosta Lane, unit number 2, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath condo with a den. Let's run inside and take a look here. So with this home, you've got the kitchen off to the left as soon as we walk in here. So nice granite countertops, kitchen backsplash. You've got your eating kitchen area here. Stainless appliances, and this all overlooks your living space here. But first we're going to go right past the kitchen and go towards the guest bedroom here. So really nice sized guest bedroom here, nice and bright, natural lighting here. You've got the bifold closet doors there. Now just off the guest, you've got the entry. This is your one-car garage entry here. We've got your guest bath with the combination tub and shower that you see there, the commode, as well as your singular sink, again with the granite countertops. Then we've got your laundry space right next to that with the full-size washer and dryer and additional storage right above. Now coming back towards your main area, this is where your den is. So they have their den as a third bedroom setup here, but you could use it as a flex space if you like as well. That leads us to your great room living area here. So plenty of space here to relax around your views, which we'll get to last. Next, we're going to check out your primary bedroom here. So that's a king-size bed for perspective. Then we've got the master bath here with the dual sinks, the commode, and then you've got the standalone shower there, and that is your closet right there. Now last but not least, we have your exterior living space here. So nice little lanai here, featured with a foretop. You also have a storage unit right there for some additional storage, pool rafts, golf clubs, those kind of things. And then you've got your view out of the back here with lake off to the right and this nice grassy area directly behind. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.